Dear Captain, I'm going to present IDMS sales operation highlights that were done in 2009. Content site will be presented by AI, and I'm going to talk about sales sites. So, as you all know, in 2009 we didn't have a new client that took IDMS sales. So therefore, most of the CRs were enhancements of the existing functionality, and this presentation will include only those that had a significant impact on users' workflow and experience, and not the CRs that introduced minor enhancements to the system. Most of the CRs were done by ESS, CTV, and Sky Italia, and the other clients.
And what about the Magic Size?
Only the CRs that
from CTV?
No, there are CRs that mostly the CRs I will be talking. Not mostly, actually half of the CRs that I will be presenting are in the Magic site, and the other half in the .NET site.
Magic site is only for CTV or ASIS also?
ESS can use this functionality because they're going to take the high version. Okay. So the first CR I'll be talking about is the CR525. It's aggregate tab for program advisories. CTV works with large advisories that includes large amount of spots in it, and Revenue Manager should evaluate and set disposition for hundreds and sometimes thousands of spots. So to make his job easier, aggregated spots tab groups the spots in the advisory by booking group, sales, products, content category, and revenue type, and that allows to set the required disposition to a group of spots. The advantage that basically CTV gains is faster processing of large advisories, and either setting and either setting dispositions to a large group of spots. Also, it provides the user an ability to apply disposition to aggregated groups spots. The second part of this CR, you can see the example of aggregated tab. You see it's grouped. The spots are grouped by booking group, sales, product, content category, and revenue type. Also, we see the aggregated duration column of the spots in each group, and we have an ability to set disposition for each group, and if we will need to change disposition for certain spots, we will do it via the usual spots tab. So the second part of this CR is basically deals with the traffic side of the problem. Mostly traffic users apply the disposition set by Revenue Manager. So in the business case that we are presenting, we have hundreds and sometimes thousand spots that should be processed by traffic user. Doing online can take about 20 to 30 minutes, which is not convenient for traffic user we presented a background job that allows um, batch processing of those spots. When the processing, while the background job is working, traffic users definitely has an ability to continue with the usual flows, maybe dealing with another advisories and doing the usual workflow they actually are encountering. After the job is completed, a workflow notification is sent to the originating user, and from the notification the user can navigate to the advisory that its processing has finished, and release it to traffic. And the benefit of this CR is actually easier and faster processing of advisories that include large number of spots. And I would advise to use this CR for all clients that using spot stuff, thus allowing them to easier and faster dealing with large amount of spots. The next CR I was going to talk about is automatic release of advisories with no spots that was issued by ESS. ESS has certain amount of program changes that does not have spots booked into the corresponding events. And as you know, the main purpose of the advisory is to make a decision regarding of what should be done with the spots. So in this case, traffic users actually should and can, all traffic users should and can do is release the advisory to traffic. So what we've done is allowed automatic release of program advisories that does not have any spots involved. It basically makes traffic user's job easier and automates the business process that does not require the user intervention. Also, it reduces the number of program advisories that we have in the system and make the process more efficient. Do you have any questions, please?
You mean open program advisories? Not reduce the number of the program advisories.
We did
You
it.
still have a program advisory, but it will be automatically released.
Yeah, but we delete those advisories because it has no meaning to have those advisories in the system because it's it's not.
The deletion has a switch behind. You can prevent this delete.
Yeah, it has a switch. It has a system default.
Okay.
Okay, so the next CR
It's very common to have a program advisory without spots.
ESS has a large amount of advisories, I believe, that does not have any spots. You can ask CDK, that it's here, how much advisories ESS has that requires this